I'm in Google Presentation, and I'm going to show you how to use a slide in an unusual way to create a desktop publishing document. When I say desktop publishing, I mean something like a magazine cover or a flyer or a poster. So I'm going to start by resizing my slide. If you notice, this looks like a Google Doc, doesn't it? Well, that's because I made it look like a Google Doc. I went to the File menu, and I went to Page Setup, and I used the Custom option to change my page to be 8.5 inches by 11 inches, the same size as a standard piece of paper. I've also set the layout to blank. I'm going to create a magazine cover today to show you how you can use a mashup of tools to layer elements on top of each other. So, magazine cover, I'm going to start with a background for my slide. I clicked on background. I'm going to choose a color, and I'm going to let's go dark blue and say done. Okay, the next thing I want to do is I want to add an image on top of here. So I'm going to click Explore down here in the bottom right-hand corner. Explore allows me to pick out an image without seeing everything under the sun. I'm going to type in the word panda, and I'm going to look for images. My magazine cover is in portrait orientation. That means it's tall and skinny. So I'm going to look for an image that would match that orientation. So let's scroll through here. Let's try this guy right here. Okay, I can add the image to my slide by clicking the plus sign. Let's see how he pops up there. Perfect orientation. I am done with Explore, so I'm going to click the X right here. Now that I have my image on my magazine, the next step is to add a title. This is a pretty busy background, so I'm going to start by laying down another shape. I'm going to go Shape and find a rectangle. And I'm going to draw a rectangle on top of this here. And I am going to add a color. And I can actually type inside the shape. Okay, doesn't quite fit, does it? So I'm going to highlight the text. I can align it to the center of the box. I can resize it, but before I resize it, I'm actually going to choose the style of font I want to make sure it's going to be easy to read. Now I can gradually increase the size of the text to make it fit. I can also work on the color. Let's see if we can get something that works here. Creating a magazine cover in Google Presentation is a matter of patience and learning to layer your elements one on top of another until you get a pleasing arrangement.